So let's move to the main modules of our websites or our digital marketing programs are. The first module which we are going to focus on is Google Adwords.
Yeah.
Okay, before that you should start making landing pages with the help of the website developers. Okay, once the page are developed, you can move forward towards this module, that is Google Adwords.
Adwords, okay.
Now, if I'm talking about Google AdWords, first of all, you have to understand what is Google AdWords. It is a platform where, on which you can run ads on. You can run different type of ads. The type of ads could be like this one. Okay, this is a shopping ad. You can run this text ads, or if you want to run banner ads, you can even run the banner ads. Let me show you the banner ad. As you can see, these banner ads which are running on my website. Okay, you can run these ads through Google. You can run these shopping ads. You can run these text ads on Google search engine or display network.
Okay.
And even you can run the ads on mobile apps as well, on YouTube, and videos ads on YouTube as well through this platform only. But in the first part of this, we are going to cover how to run these search ads or how to run these banner ads. In video ads we will be learning under YouTube, and the shopping ads we are going to learn in e-commerce. Okay. So
basically the main thing here is you have to have a Google AdWords account, right?
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
You have to have a Google account first, and then you start off with all these the Google AdWords account.
Yes, you have to have a Google AdWords account before making it. Let me introduce more things about Google AdWords. Okay. If I talk about the number of clicks, total people who visit on Google, 62% of the people click on organic results, that is unpaid results. That is achieved through SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, this is we have a dedicated module for that.
Okay,
and another is search engine marketing, which is the paid ads, that is Google AdWords. So 11% of the traffic clicks on these paid ads. So we have a very huge market. That's 11% is even in some billions. Okay, so we don't have to worry about it. It's a huge crowd we can target through paid ads. Okay, where you see the inorganic traffic or the paid ads, is in the top or in the side, or earlier there was a breakup that 3 of the ads will be on the top and 16 ads on the right. But now this pattern has changed out recently in the last week, I suppose, where the pattern is you can see 3 or 4 ads in the top. Like if you search for anything like service, digital marketing agency, if you search, you see the four top ads and 3 ads in the down, but you will not find any ad in the site. Earlier there were side ads available, but nowadays
Yeah.
no more side ads. They are only.
Is there a reason? There a reason why they removed the side ads, the right panel ads? I got those updates from those Google webmasters and whatnot, but I was just wondering why would they remove that if that's one of their, monetizing models.
Actually, it was one of the monetizing model, but the clicks in the side ads were very, very less. Okay, and a user does not feel much comfortable with the side ads. Okay, and under this, generally the users see it as a result of it. It doesn't. Users are not able to identify whether it's a paid ad or an organic result. Okay, they just click on it. They don't even bother about it. So in the side, the ads which are coming, user consider these are the only ads, but actually these are the ads are on the top as well as in the side. So Google remove those ads because they are hardly getting any money out of it.
Okay.
Okay, so what they did is instead of just top 3 ads, they put 4 ads so that they get more and more clicks on the page. Because as you can see, if I have searched digital marketing agency, you can see in the top, if I'm not scrolling anything, my whole page is covered just only with the ads. Not a single organic result is there. Organic results are just below it. Okay, so that is why they have changed the model. If in the first look the user get 3 and 4 results which are only ads, he is going to click on that instead of this organic results. Okay, so the model has got changed. They do not show much of organic result on the top. They show only the paid ads. Now the model is 4 ads on the top. Okay, 4 ads on the top and 4 ads on bottom. There is no concept anymore left with it. Okay, 4 ads on the top maximum, 4 ads on the bottom maximum. It can be 1, 2, 3. It depends upon the number of advertisers.
Okay.
And total ads are 8 in number overall. So this is the scenario right now. And when we go on PPC advertising, it's quite clear with the term itself says PPC. That means pay per click. What does pay per click means is when the user clicks on it. Okay, when the user clicks on it, then you are the Google is going to charge you. Otherwise, Google is not going to charge you anything for showing ads. You will not be get charged. But if your user clicks on it and you get the user on the web for your website, then you will be charged. So that reduces the chances that you are losing out money for showing ads. Okay, and improve the chances that you will surely get, when the money is deducted from your account, you will be surely getting a visitor to your website for sure. Earlier this was not the case. Earlier when Yahoo was there, Yahoo generally charges for CPM, that is cost per month, for cost per 1,000 impressions. He was charged according to the impressions. If your ad is shown, you will be charged. But Google, when Google come up, Google change all the principles of it and give a new principle, that is pay per click. You will be charged when somebody click on your ad. Otherwise, you will not be charged.
Okay.
Under Google AdWords, you have various networks, but the major networks are search engine. Another one is display. Under search, you
Display.
have search engine result pages, the page which you see after the search. Okay, this page is known as search engine result page. Okay, it is on the search engine, whatever you have searched, this is the result page. So this is known as a CRP page or search engine result page. Another one is Google Display Network, where if we talk about Google Display Network is the network under which lot of websites register themselves and show ads on their website. Like I have my website that is Metro Mela. I want to earn money through this website. How I can earn money? I have written a good articles. I have a lot of visitors coming to my website. Okay.
Yep.
So how I can earn money is by showing ads on it, and I have to become the partner of Google. And
Okay.
Google partnership or the network is known as Google Display Network. I'm the part of Google Display Network. And for advertising, we have one panel that is AdWords for earning money. If I want to earn money from my website and by showing ads
Okay.
on it, then the uh, platform is known as AdSense.
Yep. Yes.
Okay, and if you
So you just register your website with Google. That's it, is it? Then you are considered as part of the GDN network.
yes, you have to register your website with platform that is AdSense. Okay, if you want to run ads on these networks, on these websites, then you don't have to go anywhere. You have to work on AdWords.
Okay.
Okay,
Got it.
so Google Display Network have more than 3 million websites. You can imagine the number. It's a very huge number, and now the number has increased. This is just, you can look forward GDN network websites, even you can find out.
Jatin, can you give me a few minutes? I just need to run to the toilet quickly. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Very quick one, yeah? Sorry, Jatin. Okay.
Hi, are you back?
Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
So we were talking about the networks. Okay, so there are more than 3 million websites are there, which is increasing. This is just a 6 months old numbers, 3 million. If you search it live, you will find more than 6 million websites for sure. There are more and more websites which are coming under this program and earning money through it. And I'm training people to get how to earn money through it even. Okay, so you can build the website. After that, you move to AdWords. You can run ads on search or display. Okay, so how to make the structure? First, we will make a search campaign. Then we will make a display campaign. In the search campaign, first of all, we have to understand the algos and the structure of the AdWords account. If we are clear with how the AdWords account is made, then you will be much more clear with how you have to run ads and how to structure it more in detail. So let's study how this AdWord account is. So if you look at the top, you will find campaign settings. The first level, you make the campaign, then you make the ad groups, and then you make the ads.
Okay.
Okay, before that, do you know how AdWords works actually? Okay, how AdWords show ads? Do you know how AdWords show ads?
Not really. From like this, right? It shows like this, right? The top
It
ads.
is this everything is just based on the word you type in the search bar.
Yep.
Okay, that is the thing you have to remember. Okay, you have to select keywords on which you are going to run ads.
Okay.
Okay, for understanding that, we have one tool that we are going to come up later on. Okay, before making the ads, but you have to understand, you have to make a campaign, then you have to make an ad group, then you have to make ads, and in the ad group you have ads as well as keywords. Keywords are the words which are used to search your ads. Okay.
Okay. Yep.
Okay. Why we are? Don't you feel that we are making different ad groups and different things under a single campaign? Why we are making this? Why we are not adding a single list of keywords and make a single list of ads? Why we are dividing into multiple groups?
So that you can track which one is working more effectively, perhaps.
That could be one application.
And maybe because when you have different ad groups and keywords, you are extending your reach. So you are having a wider coverage, right?
No, that is not true. Okay, let me tell you with an example is like I have a shoe store. Okay, and I'm running ads for how to buy a shoe online or red sports shoes. Okay, if I make two ad groups, because people do not search only shoes online, they will search buy shoes online, cheapest shoes online, and different keywords will be there related to this word only, that is online, shoes online. Okay, similarly, with the word like red sport shoes, people might search buy red sport shoes, cheapest red sport shoes, online red sport shoes, different kinds of words. And these all together are different kinds of words which cannot be put together, because if we try to put all these words in a single ad group, what will happen is there will be a lot of ads and keywords into it, and Google AdWords will get confused which ad to show exactly related to each keyword. Okay, once he got confused, he will not able to show your correct ads. Like he might show you the ad like if the user type buy shoes online, okay, and he gives you the ads like buy red sports shoes online. Okay, so Google AdWords get confused to show a different ads. When he see the user sees the different ads, you might not get a click or you might not get a customer. Clear or not?
Yep.
Okay, so we make different ad groups. And whenever we are making ad groups, we have to keep in mind theming of the keywords. Okay, what theming of the keyword is, whichever keyword we are making in one ad group should be very similar to each other. Like if we are making an ad group like buy shoes online, so there should be at least one or two words should be common across all the words. Okay, one or two words should be common in all the keyword phrases. Like in the list, if I want to list down the keywords, okay, the keywords in this ad group could be buy shoes online, okay, or shoes online, or cheapest shoes online. Okay, these keywords have one thing in common, that is shoes online or shoe online, as you can see on this.
Yep.
Okay, and if your ad is shown, if you have made three different copies of ads, okay, for these three words, for these three keywords, if Google show any of the ads, all will be more relevant in comparison to if we have a keyword like red sports shoes. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, great. So that is the concept. You should do the theming, and for doing themings, we have the plugin that is we have the tool that is known as Google Keyword Planner. You can use that tool to make the theming of the words or search out more words. I will be telling you once we are going through it. Few terminologies you should be clear before entering into Google AdWords account or before making an Google AdWords account is bid. Okay, this is generally known as bid or CPC. What is bid or CPC is? Bid is the maximum amount you are willing to pay for an one click on your ads. Is the maximum amount you are willing to pay. Like I'm showing an ad on Google. The maximum amount I want to pay for this click is 10 rupees or 10 USD or 1 USD or 2 USD. This is the amount I can maximum pay. If you can show my ad, that is pretty fine, or not, then it's Google wish. Okay, but this is the maximum amount I am going to pay. This is not the amount which Google will deduct from my account. Okay, Johanna. It is not the amount which Google is going to deduct it. It is the maximum amount I can pay for click. Then it's the Google wish how much amount he can deduct.
Okay. So do you actually place a floor price already on your website? Say for example you have those ads that let's say you're using AdSense to earn money, but that means do you already put in a floor price so that Google will serve those ads, and whenever someone click on it, then they will pay you? Is that how it works?
No. In AdSense, we do not define it. Okay, Google itself define it, what will be the pricing of it. But for advertiser, defines that this is the maximum amount I can pay.
Okay.
Okay, based on that, he develops those pricing and all. For you, how much amount he is going to pay you through AdSense.
Okay.
Okay, next is the CTR, that is click-through rate. Number of times your ad is clicked divided by number of times your ad is shown.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, because it is very, very important. The reason is if your ad is shown too many times and it is not clicked, that means your ad is not attractive or your ad is not leading towards leading the customer towards your website. So Google might have to run losses because of you, so it will lower your score. I will be coming on the concept of how it lowers your score and degrade the rank of yours based on click-through rate and bids. Okay, but click-through rate is number of times your ad is clicked upon total number of times your ad is shown.
Oh, yeah.
The next thing is budget. This budget is the maximum amount you are willing to spend per day. Okay, in AdWords we define the budgets as, we define the budgets per day only. Okay, you can define it 100 rupees, 500 rupees, 10,000 rupees or 5,000 rupees. It's purely up to you. Okay,
It's per day, right?
how much your budget is. Yes, you were saying something, Joanna?
You were saying the budget you can look at it per day, right? That means you can set it per day. Yeah.
You can change it any point of time you're feeling that you don't want to spend X amount today. You can stop the campaign or you can change the budget even. Okay, it is not the fixed amount which Google take it initially. Okay, it will take it when somebody clicked on it. Okay, and it will try to consume the maximum amount you give to them. The next thing is quality score. The quality score is defined as the how relevant is your content and context of your ad is to the keyword. Like somebody is searching buy red shoes online, okay, and your ad is showing buy shoes online. That is relevant but not too relevant in comparison to someone who writes buy shoes online ad. Got it?
Quality.
You have to show your ad is relevant as well, because Google does not want to lose out any of its user from its search engine, because it has created a huge market and he does not want to lose out because just of one advertiser only. So that's why it includes the value of quality score. Your ad should be relevant to it. Like if somebody is running any site, like you can say, if I'm running a site for digital marketing agency and somebody is searching marketing only and I'm running ads on it, it is somehow still relevant. But if somebody is searching for course and my ad is shown, that is something which is irrelevant. So Google does not want the advertiser should take advantage of them. Okay, so they define the quality score of it. Clear, Joanna?
Okay. Yep. Yeah.
So let's understand the algo first, then you will be able to understand the things in much more better manner in AdWords. Let's suppose there are two people, Ram and Shyam. Okay, there are two people, Ram and Shyam. They are bidding 5 rupees. Ram is bidding 5 rupees and Shyam is bidding 10 rupees. Okay, and
Yep.
their budget is 500 and 1000 rupees. Who will get the first position? Who will get the first?
Sorry? Who will get the first position?
There are two people. One is person A, Ram. Another person is Mr. Shyam. Ram
Yep.
is bidding 5 rupees. Shyam is bidding 10 rupees on the same keyword. Who will be getting the first position?
Shyam?
Yeah.
Because his bidding is higher and the budget is higher as well, right?
Yes. His bidding is higher. Budget is not important. Whatever your budget is, it is not important, but the bid should be higher. Okay.
Okay.
Next thing is Ram and Shyam, the budgets are same. Okay, but if you look at the metrics, the Ram is having a CTR of 10%. How we calculate CTR is impressions and clicks. He is getting his ad is shown 500 times and he's get clicked 50 times. Shyam ad is shown 500 times and his ad is clicked by 10 times. So CTR is 10 upon 500 in the second case, that will come out to be 2%, and in the first case 50 upon 100, that will come out to be 10%.
10%.
Okay.
Yep.
Generally, we have seen if the bid is high, the position of the advertiser should be higher. But if you look at this case, Ram is getting the position first because its CTR is high.
Okay.
Okay, why? Because why Google has keep the CTR in the loop is, reason is that because if you calculate the amount, okay, Ram is bidding 5 rupees and he is getting 50 clicks. The total amount which Google is earning is 250 rupees.
Okay.
Okay, but whereas if you calculate for Sham, it is getting 10 clicks of each bid of 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 rupees. So Google is earning only 100 rupees here and Google is earning here 250 rupees. So Google will give higher position to that person who is giving more revenue to the Google AdWords.
Okay.
Okay, so
this one is
very
based on CTR, right?
Yes, Johanna, you were saying something?
This one is based on CTR, right? Let's say if these two here, these two examples, whichever that gives the highest CTR, then we will position that one first, right?
Yes.
Okay,
CTR,
got it.
is of very high importance because it depends upon the revenue model of the Google AdWords.
Okay.
Okay, now if you look at the third case, where there are 3 persons, Ram, Sham and Gaurav. Ram is bidding 5, Sham is bidding 10 and Gaurav is bidding 20. If we look at the CTR, Ram is getting the CTR 10, Sham is getting the CTR 4 and Gaurav is getting the CTR 3. If we look at the revenues, Google revenue is 250, 200 and 300. And there is fourth thing, that is quality score. I will be telling you what is the quality score, what are the components of quality score are. Okay.
Yep.
Ram is getting the quality score as 8, Sham is getting the quality score as 5 and Gaurav is getting the quality score as 4.5. 5. By default, if you only look at the bid, it seems like that Gaurav should get the first position, but it doesn't happen. But if you look at the revenue even, it seems that Gaurav should have the second position. Okay. If you look at the revenue even, Gaurav should have the first position. Yes or no? Because he is giving 300 rupees as a revenue to Google in comparison to 200 rupees by Sham and 250 by Ram.
Yep.
It is bidding high. It is giving high returns to Google, but still he is getting the third position because the quality score.
Okay.
The quality score should be high whenever you are making ads. Now, what is the quality score? Quality score is the score which shows how much your ad is relevant to your
audience.
Like if somebody is searching for red shoes, you are not showing ads for t-shirts. You should show ads related to shoes only.
Shoes.
Okay. Then the parameters, how we calculate the quality score, that you have to understand practically. You can understand how the quality score is judged out is just you just see that I have written buy shoes online. Let me search, because it is not showing ads right now. Let me search something else. Okay, you can see that 2 ads are coming over here. This is the first ad, this is the second ad. If you look at it, I have searched digital marketing agency and the first ad shows that digital marketing agency, and you can read the digital marketing agency or digital marketing services in this ad 2 times, yes or no?
Yep.
And in this ad you cannot see digital marketing written over there. It is just a part of digital marketing, but still digital marketing is not written. Okay, this as a user, if I am searching for a digital marketing agency, I might not be knowing that social media comes under it or not. True or not?
True.
Okay, so on which ad I am going to click on? The first one or
first one?
The first one, because it is relevant. Yes or no?
Yep.
It is relevant. That's why I am going to click on it. So the ad written with the keyword, how relevant this ad is, whether this ad contains the keyword which user typed or not.
Okay.
Okay, that is important. This is one part of it. Second part is when you click on the ad. When you click on the ad, you reach on the landing page of the website. And if you look at the landing page, okay, if you look at the landing page, here you see a lot of things. Does I find written digital marketing agency over here?
No.
No. Does you feel this
Just
page is relevant what you search exactly? A bit,
not really.
not really. Similarly, Google gives this as one of the parameter. If your landing page is not relevant to the keyword which the user is searched, okay, he will not give you good quality score. He will give you a lower quality score. Okay, this is two parameters. One is your advertisement, your landing page, and the experience of landing page, loading time, and the conversion rate. How your ad, whether your ad contains the keywords or not, whether your landing page contains the keywords or not, how the look and feel of the page is, how much time does it take to load, because if your page is taking a lot of time to load, user will move out shortly. He will turn out, he will cut down your page or switch off that tab. So Google will start losing out its customers, which they doesn't want. So they calculate it under the quality score. If you have all these things correct, then your quality score will be good. Clear or not?
Okay. Yep. Yeah.
So these 5 things you have to keep in mind whenever you are making ads, that your ad should be relevant, your page should be, landing page should be good, the experience, user experience on it should be good, the page loading time should be less, and the conversion rate should be high. And quality scores keep on fluctuating, it is not permanent. Clear?
Yep. Yeah.
As you keep on changing the ads, it will keep on varying. If it keeps on changing with the user search as well. Whatever user is searching, it keeps on changing on that as well. So how to set up an Google AdWords account is, let's take a 15 minutes break. Okay, every 1.5 hours, I usually take a 15 minutes break.
Okay.
Okay, so that I'll have enough energy to continue the training. So let's take a 15 minutes break, and then I will be joining, and then we will be setting up an AdWords account.
Okay.
Okay, so I will be joining around 8:50. Okay, it's 8:35. We'll be joining at 8:50.
Okay. 15 minutes. So, yeah, milk tea. Okay, but I need it so. I'm sure got some 3 in 1. Go downstairs and you want water? Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh, is it? Yeah. That's why I didn't. Unusual. She says she will.